Hello, I'm here with David. David, we were talking a little bit earlier, and you've been here for how long?
I've been here now 20 years.
20 years.
Yes,
so,
20 solid years.
What kind of different things have you done since you've been here?
Oh, I've done kind of a little bit of everything other than accounting.
Yeah? So I know you've been in, repairs?
We've been in repairs, been in the service manager, been in mostly technical sales, which I really do enjoy.
Okay. The other day you told me you were, in South America, Chile?
Yeah, the other day, and that's the other thing. It's afforded me a lot of travel. I've been, places all over the world, South America, Bogota, Colombia, Ecuador, Chile.
So that's a long time being here. I mean, what do you like about Republic? Why do you keep coming back?
Well, one, they keep paying me. Secondly,
that's a bonus. Yeah.
Republic is actually one of those companies you've been with them as they've been a kind of a smaller company and have grown into more of a medium company, and seeing them grow into a large company. I mean, it's always some diversity. It's never the same thing. It's always something new. Even with our core products, we tend to tweak a little here, tweak a little there, just to make it different and make it interesting.
Excellent, excellent. So, looking forward to staying a little while longer?
Yeah, I think as long as they keep paying me, I'll keep coming.
Yeah. So if somebody was looking to come to Republic, what would you tell them?
I would just tell them, it's different. It's neat, kind of a small company feel with some growing pains, but yeah, I would absolutely tell them to just, be ready for change.
Excellent. Well, this is David Gradney, Chris Hanchett. Thank you.